We've got a few fabrics here, and at the store we've just got a few yards of each of these, but what we're going to do is we're going to put them at $9.99. So $9.99, see something you like, get it. Hopefully they'll all go and have good homes. So first piece is 100% cotton. This is really in the spirit of what is coming into fashion for spring. It's the earth tones. It's it's 100% cotton. It's a woven. It'd just be really pretty for skirt, shirt, stripes are in. It's just got all the elements. Earth tones, everything's right there. $9.99, what a deal. This you can see by the selvage is made in Italy. It is 100% coton is what it says on there, but that's called cotton in English. But anyway, and again, just a really pretty, almost like a paintbrush. Very cool looking. And it's a woven, lightweight, and it's a woven. Then we have 100% viscose. Again, there's not a lot of yards on these, you guys. This has stretch in one direction, a little bit in both, but not as much. So we're going to call that 100% viscose, and it's got good stretch and great drape. You have a little trapunto piece. Again, not very many yards. Beautiful black and white. I'm not even sure, and it's diagonal already, which is kind of cool because you could make just a really beautiful blouse, accent it with black. It'd be so pretty. And again, $9.99. What a deal. That's my little gift to you, little cleanup. This is where, again, both sides are usable. This is the right side. It's very pretty. It's a cotton poly piece. And it's lovely. It's gray. It's the color that's really in. Gray continues through the spring. Put it with a fresh white would be beautiful. Or a silver would also be beautiful. That's a cotton poly. This also is a cotton poly. You can see it's lovely. A pair of pants would be pretty. A jacket would be beautiful out of this. Cotton poly piece. It's a woven, no stretch at all to it. But boy, what a pretty, this is like a jacquard. It's a beautiful piece. Lightweight, kind of, I think it'd be a great jacket. Got a little bit of body to it, so it's not going to drape. It's going to need direction, but it sure is pretty. All right, so the goal is, as you know, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.